What truly defines a legend? Every face carries a story. Different lives, different paths. Yet something calls us the same way. Legends are not only written in books, they live in the roads we choose, in the moment we share. Some ride for speed, some for freedom. The legend lives in the people who keep it going. Together, we build something timeless. Something that changes us. Something that becomes part of who we are. I'm Legend. I'm Monster.